Hello students, in this video lecture we discuss about the relationship among void ratio, degree of saturation, water content and specific gravity. First of all, E is equal to volume of the voids to the volume of solid. We know that this formula of void ratio. Now denominator and numerator multiply by volume of water. This is the first step. E is equal to volume of the voids upon volume of the solid, which is multiplied by volume of water upon volume of water. This become equation 1. Equation 1 also write this manner. E is equal to volume of the voids upon volume of the water into volume of the water upon volume of the solid. Now we know that degree of saturation S is equal to volume of the water upon volume of voids. But in our equation number 1, volume of voids upon volume of water, which is the inverse of degree of saturation. So we can write this equation in this manner also, 1 upon S into volume of the water upon volume of the solid. Now next step, E is equal to 1 upon S into, now we find out the formula of volume of the water. We know that unit weight of water is equal to weight of the water upon volume of the water. So we find out the volume of the water. We want to find out the volume of the water, which is equal to weight of the water upon unit weight of water. Now put this equation in this. Now volume of solid, same in process. Volume of solid is equal to Ws upon gamma S. Ws upon gamma S. Now gamma S or unit weight of solid also write this G into gamma W. So now finally the equation become E is equal to 1 upon S into WW upon gamma W, Ws upon G into gamma W. Gamma W and gamma W cancel out each other. Then the equation become 1 upon S into G WW upon Ws. Now we know that water content is defined as weight of the water to the weight of the solid. So E is equal to water content into specific gravity upon degree of saturation S. Now we cross multiply this equation S equal to Wg. Now finally we got this equation S equal to Wg, which is very important relationship. So guys, इस रिलेशनशिप को देख के आप आगे के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. जैसा क्वेश्चन दे रखा है, डिग्री ऑफ सैचुरेशन ऑफ नेचुरल सॉइल डिपॉजिट हैविंग वाटर कंटेंट 15%, स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी 2.50 एंड वॉइड रेशियो इज 0.5. नाउ in this question, given that water content is 15%, specific gravity is 2.50, void ratio is 0.5. From the relationship between the void ratio, specific gravity and water content is S equal to Wg. Now we find out S equal to Wg upon E. Now in the question, water content is given as 15%, specific gravity is given as 2.50 and void ratio is given as 0.5. All this value put in this equation and find the value of degree of saturation, which comes out 75%. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.